Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the map work of geography as well as history. The first and second chapter of the history map work and the second chapter of the geography's map work we are going to see today. So let's see the map work, what we have to do in the map work. So first of all, in the second chapter of geography, that is longitude, latitude and globe. In this chapter, we have to do these points in the physical map of India. Please keep this in mind. I have used the political map, but all of you have to use the physical outline of map of India. And in this, these points like Dwarka in Gujarat, Chandrapur in Maharashtra, Dhubri in Assam, and the one line that is the standard meridian of 82 degree 30 minutes east, you have to locate in this map. After this, the map work of history we have to do for the first chapter, and these points are that you have to locate in your map, that is Indus River, Garo Hills in the east, then Eastern Ghats and Vindhyas. These points you have to locate in the map of first chapter. In the first chapter's map work of history, you have to mark or you have to locate these four places: Garo Hills, Eastern Ghats, Vindhyas, only Vindhyas and Indus. These many points you have to locate in the map work, first chapter's map work. After this, you have to do the second chapter. As you can see this map, some of the points you have to locate in your physical map of India, and these points that you have to locate are Burzahom in the top, you can see, then Mehergarh, that is located in the Pakistan, Daujili Haring, that is towards the eastern part of our country, Bhimbetka in the central India, Mumbai and Inamgaon, and in the last Adichamalur. These points you have to locate in the map. After this, in the second chapter of geography, the another map is there, and this map is of world. In this you have to locate London, Greenwich and Belo Horizonte, as well as you have to locate one prime meridian. This prime meridian, as you can see, the straight line or the vertical straight line that you can see that passes through the Greenwich city of London, these you have to make on your physical map of world. So in this way you have to complete the total work of second chapter of the geography and the first and second chapter of the history. The maps that you have to mark the points and all that I'm going to send you. Accordingly, you all will mark on your blank maps. The maps, once again I am telling you which maps you have to use. You have to use the physical map of India and the physical map of world for locating any point of history or geography. You will use only physical map, and you know very well what is physical map actually. Only the outline of the world or India is called as the physical map. So you all will use the physical map of India and world for locating all these points that I have showed you in this video. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt related to the map work, you can ask me in this class, as well as whatever the queries you have related to the map work, we will do that in this class only. From the next class, we are going to do the next chapter of the SST. It may be geography, history, or civics. Thank you very much.